Wow, so James Harden promised to not leave the Houston Rockets. A Houston Rockets fan asked James Harden never ever leave Houston, and James Harden said, "Promise I won't. Rocket for life." Now this reminds me of Kevin Durant. If you guys remember a while back, Kevin Durant was asked by a fan, "Kevin Durant, what would it take to get you to the Knicks in 2011? Kevin Durant said, "I want to play with Oklahoma City for my whole life." And we'll see how that turned out. Now Kevin Durant is now on the Warriors. Listen, James Harden, I don't think that James Harden should have made this promise, because you never know what happens in the NBA. But I mean, how can you blame James Harden? He re-signed with the Rockets for $228 million through the 22-23 NBA season. So I mean, me, if I got paid $228 million by the Houston Rockets, they got my loyalty. I don't care if it's the Nets. I don't care if it's the worst team in the NBA. Listen, if I was on the worst team in the NBA and we won 0 games, but they paid me $228 million, I'm saying I'm a ride or die for that team for my whole career. I don't care. I can't blame James Harden. Look how much they gave him, $228 million. I wouldn't even be thinking of leaving too, because what happens when that contract is up? I mean, I'm gonna get a lot more than $228 million. So James Harden promises not to leave the Rockets. Do you guys believe him? Because we'll see what happened to Kevin Durant after he promised he's gonna play for the Thunder his whole career. And in other news, the Houston Rockets have been bought for $2.2 billion. And the guy who bought the Houston Rockets said, "I'm truly honored to have been chosen as the next owner of the Houston Rockets." But I don't know, when somebody else buys a team, does the team change or just the owner changes? I really don't know. But I mean, the owner now that has bought the Houston Rockets, he's gonna make a lot more than he bought it for. Because if he bought it for $2.2 billion, I think that if the Rockets continue to be a great team, when he sells it, he's gonna sell it for even more. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Do you believe that James Harden will never leave Houston? And I'm out.